Hello everyone.
Yeah, everyone.
I'm Andrew.
Yeah, wow, Andrew here. Andrew is from Russia. He works for
I'm a 2D artist. I make graphics for games.
for games,
mostly.
right? And you are engineer before.
Yeah, I was an engineer before, but now I'm a game developer.
Right. Okay. So in terms of the game developer, I want to talk you more about you are traveler and you travel from the Russia in Thailand and many countries around to work online. So how about the ChatGPT? Is good for you or what do you see in the futures?
Well, I don't use much of ChatGPT nowadays. I use it for making, cover letters, something like editing texts, maybe to generate some texts for me, and then I just make some my edits for this text, and it goes well if I use this way.
So the camera problems I go with you. It's capture only one people, but we come together. We come together.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, that's right. So I talking for. So I think your ChatGPT you can make for some kind of the application to post on the internet. When you find a job, how you find a job online?
I just use some resources like LinkedIn.
Yeah.
And also other special resources, special websites like for art, for game developers. I find it like this.
Yes, maybe you have the problems that like you want the ChatGPT to help you make a post for
Yeah,
jobs.
sure. I just use ChatGPT to generate some text. For example, for cover letter, I use ChatGPT to generate it, and then I just edit it, and it goes really well. In this way, I can, generate some text that I couldn't write myself.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and it helps a lot.
Yeah.
But you must control the outcome of ChatGPT generation, I think.
Yeah. The problem is when I make the letters or the something that they not make like what you want to say, and that is just like the introduction that you make it. For example, you make the resume for your
Yeah, like resume, like a cover letter,
yeah.
something like this.
Yeah, you're easy to make a collaborator.
Yeah, very easy to build some text to work with.
Right, and when you send email to apply the jobs, so you can use the ChatGPT on it.
Yeah, sure. I'm using like this.
Right, I'm too. It's easy to make not for the apply job to make an email. It's very fast.
Also you can add some style for
Right.
ChatGPT. If you say to ChatGPT, write me add some more business style to the letter,
Right.
maybe more playful style.
Right.
So you can control the outcome by adding this. And also with ChatGPT, you can say, ChatGPT, please think that you are a young entrepreneur and write like him. You can say, who is ChatGPT now? And he'll write like he's really some person.
Right. Actually, you're right. The ChatGPT need to do two things. First, you need to tell the ChatGPT who you are.
Yeah.
You are beginner, you are expert, or you something.
You need to build something for ChatGPT to go on.
To understand you.
To understand what you want.
You're right.
Yeah.
And the second is you need to make ChatGPT to know the tone, what they.
The tone of
right.
the letter.
The letter,
The style, I think.
Yeah, maybe you want to make a very friendly emails or very friendly topic.
Yeah,
They can make
maybe you
friendly.
just want some business talk, only like to be a serious man.
right, and then you can tell them to make the formal letters.
Yeah,
And
formal.
you want to make a formal to apply the jobs,
Yeah,
or
sure.
you make a friendly to make apply the jobs. Right.
Yeah, it depends on the company you wanted to apply. It depends on the job you want to apply to.
I think you're right. So.
And also, I'm working with pixel art animations like Mario games, some small images, like a 32 by 32 pixels, something like this. And ChatGPT can't handle this task. He just can't make a pixel art. You can find a lot of examples with AI generating pixel art, and none of them are very good. None of them are of required quality for game developers. So using AI, you should be a specialist to use AI for your own good. You should control the outcome of it. Like this. Maybe in future AI can get a bit better, but I think it will still need some specialist, some proficient man that knows the ropes, who knows the ropes, who can control the outcome.
I think
like a director, you know.
The director. You are the director to control the
outcome. Yeah. You're like a director for AI.
Yeah, and then you can make the input and tell them what.
You control input.
In the future, for generative AI, they can use not only to remake the new image or video for you, but if you have the good input, and you can put the input into the AI, and they make you better and better. And at the end, it's not the final product. You need to control the output and do your, I think, your mind and your professionalism.
Yeah, you control the outcome. I don't know.
And you improve the outcome as well.
You can improve the outcome. You can make several iterations of this AI generation. You can put in some generated image. You can make a new prompt for it. Like I want no 6 fingers. Like I want it be more dull, for example, or more happy image, and the AI will help you to generate this.
Okay, and the last thing that we're talking, because we have the short times, even you have the AI, and maybe AI is better and better in the future. What do you want from the AI in the future? And so
you know, as a game developer who draws good, but I don't write a clean code. You know, I can write the code, but I'm like a lumberjack, just chopping and chopping. And in the end, I have some huge code. Yeah, but I think ChatGPT can do better than me. I am no coder. I just can do it, but I'm no good at this. So I think it can help me to make a clean code, even if I'm not very good at coding. And also I think it can help, maybe they will do something like for animation. You know, if I make like 6 frames per second, maybe in future AI generation can help me make like a 24 frames per second from my 6. And this would be a really great result.
It's mean you want to improve the video quality.
Yeah. It will improve the video quality, and also you know, a friend of mine is a content creator, and content creators like for advertising, for commercial video, they just need, you know, a storyboard. A pictures. What will be in the end result, like comics, and he uses the AI generation. He generates images for this storyboard. It's free. It's free. Yeah. And he doesn't need the very good quality for this. He just needs the idea, the design of the image. And then he got a storyboard, he goes to his client, he shows what he generated, and then they shoot the whole commercial.
Okay, I understand. You use AI to make you just make your own idea into the storyboard in May.
Yeah.
It's just
like just a sketching, like a sketch.
And make a prototype for the consumer. And then prove that it's okay, we hire you and you can make with your own idea.
Yeah.
At least you can keep the short time to make the proposal.
Yeah, I think in future the AI can help a lot of people to do the job faster.
Faster.
If you are a professional already, you can use AI for good to make you more productive, I think.
Right. So it's like it's finally the AI cannot replace our specialists.
Yeah, I think
But,
it won't replace anyone.
Just,
It's just a second pilot for you.
Right, it's co-pilot. Right?
Co-pilot, yeah.
So it's mean you can take the time for 1 whole weeks, and you take the time for 2 days.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
3 days you just showering and thinking an idea. The idea is mean how to talk with the AI.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I think the most important thing in the world is your ideas, your mind, your mindset, what you want to do, your dreams.
Right.
And the ChatGPT just can bring your dreams come
Right,
true.
right.
Yeah, but you still need to control its output nowadays, and I think in future this will be mostly the same.
It's more and more and make us lazier. Just go
Yeah,
around
we-
and just have the idea and come to talk with the AI.
But
and use
still
more
we use our
specialists.
mind to make these ideas.
Right. Just thinking,
ChatGPT don't.
just thinking, showering, and think
Yeah.
the idea to talk with the AI, and you can save time more than 50%.
Yeah.
So I hope to do like that. Okay, thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you
Okay.
very much,
Bye
man.
bye.
Thank you, bye bye.
Thank you for coming. Right. Good.